Namaste friends, let's start. Welcome. My name is Shailesh Sharaf. I am the founder of Value Stocks app and welcome to the free webinar. So we already have 107 people. Welcome, welcome. How many are attending for the first time? Can I get a yes? Yes, attending for the first time. Let me check the names. I will also know. First time, okay. A lot of them are first time. Thank you. So welcome friends. So we launched this app last year for the benefit of investors, and we had a golden run, and we want to share what we have done with this app. So the most important thing what we have learned is, for the investors, stock selection has been the most difficult thing for an investor. How many agree with this? How many agree that stock selection is the most difficult thing for an investor? Okay, Nitin agrees. Thank you, Nitin. Prem Prasad agrees. Jay Kumar Sharma. Okay, so a lot of people agree, right? So stock selection has been made super easy by us. So once you know that how to select stocks, life becomes very easy. Okay, so today we will show you how to select a quality stock very easily. Okay, so this is our website, valuestocks.in. This is our website. You can also download it in your app also. So if you have Android or Apple, you can download Value Stocks. This is the logo of it, VS in red and yellow. And once you download it, there is something called which is available free. Okay, I also want to highlight, friends, very important is that we can only help you if you are already an investor in the stock market. Okay, we cannot help beginners because we focus on stock selection. We don't teach theory classes. Okay, we don't teach theory. We don't want to go into that. Okay, what is P ratio? What we focus is that how to select winning stocks. That is our main forte. And this is where we help people to straight go to winning stocks, because that will give them the returns. Okay, so if you are a beginner or you do not have at least 5 lakh or 10 lakh rupees of shares in your demat account, then this session will not help you, because we are looking for intermediate people who are there in the stock market, who have some stocks they've invested into it. They have a habit of investing stocks with some ideas. So I may ask, we have 130 people. So how many people, when you invest stock, what do you usually see? When do you buy a stock, what are some parameters you see? If you can write down, what are the some parameters you see when you decide to buy a stock? Or we just buy the stock from media or TV? Okay, breakout. Okay, so Kalpa Shah uses technical analysis, breakout. Okay, profit sales P. Okay, thank you, Girish. Liquidity, Ronald Lewis, liquidity, RSI, ROE, sales, Balakrishna, fundamental analysis. So Sachin Muni, what fundamental analysis, what parameter? Yogesh Patil, the sector analysis. Okay. Manish Batra, consistent EPS growth, cash flow. Wow, very nice, Manish. Company finance performance. Rajiv Narayan, what do you see in the company finance performance? Thomas Philippos, what do you see in value? That, how do you decide management? Active stocks, everybody can see, right, each other. Sachin Muni, how do you decide a quality management? Track record, Parameshwar Krishnan, how do you decide a track record? Give me parameters. That, how do you decide prospects? Chart. Okay, so Galaxy Note does this. Quality business karo. Okay, so you're already my customer. 3 month sales, P cash, consistent profit. Okay. top gainers of Nifty. So okay, basically you finalize, you see the price movement, momentum. Tejasvi sees price momentum, and Rajiv Narayan sees value of stock as seen by the stock market. Okay, so how do you decide the value, Rajiv? P is one of the easiest way to know the value. Okay, so everybody has written something which they decide to buy a stock. So this is the seminar for you, because today I'm going to share my experience of investing in stock. Okay, so basically that is what we are going to share today with you. Okay, so friends, just for a reminder, if you're a beginner or you don't have at least 5 or 10 lakh rupees in your demat account, then we will not be much help to you. Okay, sorry about that. This is actually for people who are already doing some stock market thing themselves, and then it is easy for them. हाँ घनश्याम जी, हिंदी में बोलता हूँ, ये प्रोग्राम उसी को हेल्प करेगा जिसके पास कम से कम 5 से 10 लाख रुपया का डीमैट में अकाउंट है, वो ये कुछ पैरामीटर सोचते हैं और जब स्टॉक्स लेते हैं. इफ यू आर अ बिगनर और यू आर अप, ये वेबिनार आपको इतना हेल्प नहीं करेगा. Okay, so I'll be talking in English and Hindi, Vignesh and Ghanshyam, because some people need Hindi and some people need English. So I'll try to repeat both for the benefit of everyone. So Vignesh, I hope you will not have a problem, and Ghanshyam ji, मैं हिंदी में ही बात करूँगा आपसे, and Vignesh, I will speak in English also, so that we can benefit everybody. But just want to highlight कि whenever you want to invest a stock, just excited to share what we have experienced. So basically quality stocks, according to our experience, and this is a very, very nice tool which you can use it free of cost, but it's a tool which you will only find in my website or app. So let's take a share like something like TCS. Okay, because somebody was writing TCS, Ramesh Cha. I don't know the full name. Ramesh Chamekri. Okay, so basically what we have done is we have created a quality business score for 1600 companies. Now if you see TCS, the maximum number can be 22. TCS is a company which has 22 by 22. That is why it is rated as a great company. Okay, so according to my research, any company greater than 18, because 22 is the highest number, okay, is called winning or great stocks. There are 145 great companies in India. Okay, how do we decide this? Great companies, a great company can only be decided if it has a track record of at least 5 years. And these are the 4 parameters, according to me, are the most important. I could see somebody had written sales growth, somebody had written somebody had written cash flow, somebody had also written ROE. So according to me, these are the 4 parameters which gives you a quality company, a great management and an efficient management. अब आप बोलेंगे यार ये इतना simple कैसे हो सकता है? How it can be so simple? The question is, it has taken me many years to understand and find the secret. And that is why everybody loves us, because we have made fundamental analysis into a score. So this is the fundamental value score of a company. I also found out some people are using breakouts, RSI, technical analysis to buy stocks. Okay, first, if you want to buy quality business, quality management, the first thing is you see these 5 things: ROE, free cash flow, sales growth, and EPS growth. If you focus on these 4 things, okay, for the last 5 years, you will get a quality business company. There are only out of thousands, I don't know, out of 5,000 companies, only 145 companies are there which has a score greater than 18. If you click here, obviously this is only for my paid customers, but I'm showing you, these are all my favorite stocks. These are all the favorite stocks, 145 of them, where the list is available instantly with all the customers, all my paid customers. They get a list instantly of 145 companies. Okay. And these are the companies where you should start doing technical analysis. Now, people, if you really want to make money, obviously you need quality companies, and then you put RSI breakouts on these companies. Your profitability will jump by many percentages. But if you only do technical analysis without doing fundamental analysis, or without I don't even want to use the word fundamental analysis, because you should focus on quality stocks and quality businesses. So obviously people wanted to know the names of 5 quality stocks. Asian Paints 22/22, Bajaj Finserv, Britannia, Hindustan Unilever, Indian Energy Exchange, Larsen Toubro Infotech, and TCS. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm giving you 7 names because we had promised you on our advertisements. So these are 7 companies you should definitely have in your portfolio for your great grandchildren. Please remember, it is Larsen Toubro Infotech, not Larsen Toubro. So these 7 companies, you can remove Indian Energy Exchange, but Asian Paints, Bajaj Finserv, Britannia, Hindustan Unilever, Larsen Toubro, and TCS, 6 companies should be there. According to me, they are best for your great grandchildren. You hold it for the next 10 years, these 10 companies, and you will see how much money you will make. Okay, so these are my top shares. I wanted to show you, according to me, these are the top quality companies. It has a perfect score of 22/22. Then obviously we have companies which has 21. We have companies which has 20, 19, 18. So you can select stocks from market cap. So many people ask me, okay, give me the small cap ones. So you can get all the small cap instantly, which are the top small caps. Okay, so these are all available for all the customers very quickly. Again, friends, how do we decide this? We decide this like we go to TCS and we show you the 5 years, what is the return on equity, free cash flow, EPS growth, and sales growth. And this is all, we get one mark for every thing for 1 year. So 1 year, for 1 year, for 15-16 has a perfect score of 4. Then even for 16-17, it has a perfect score of 4 on 4. 17-18 perfect score, 18-19 perfect score, 19-20 even the quarterly December results perfect score. So there are only 7 companies in the country today which has a perfect score for 5 years. Okay, to manage, for your information, सबको ये मालूम नहीं है. Okay, sales growth and EPS growth, there are only 70-80 companies which can actually do sales growth and EPS growth for 5 years consecutively. It is not an easy parameter to have. I'm not talking of sales, I'm talking of sales growth. So if you know a company is growing, that means that company is beyond the economy of the country. Now listen and listen very carefully. I will first say in English, फिर मैं हिंदी में भी बोलूंगा. Everybody in the stock market is very worried about the economy, right? क्या हुआ last 1 year से, if you see in last 1 year, the economy was very bad, but the stock market has given a return of more than 100% in last 1 year already. You know? Okay, the stock market has given a return of more than 100% in last 1 year. Correct? So what is the economy? The fiscal deficit is 9.5%. What happened to the stock market? Now this is where we make a mistake. Despite of a bad economy, there are still companies which is still having sales growth and profit growth. अब मैं हिंदी में बोलता हूँ. लास्ट 1 साल में इकोनॉमी की बैंड बजी हुई है. सबको मालूम है कितने बिजनेसेस में प्रॉब्लम है, 20-30% सेल्स है. People are in a very बैड सिचुएशन. वेरी बैड सिचुएशन, करेक्ट। लेकिन स्टॉक मार्केट बढ़े जा रहा है, तो हमें वो स्टॉक्स लेना है डिस्पाइट ऑफ अ बैड इकोनॉमी, जिसमें ग्रोथ हो रहा है, प्रॉफिट का भी एंड सेल्स का भी। दैट इज द सीक्रेट टू गेट द राइट स्टॉक। ओके, Rajat Mondal, if you do not know the full form of EPS, then friend Rajat Mondal, this webinar is not for you. EPS is the most basic thing. It is known as earning per share. So if you do not know this, Rajat, then this webinar is not for you. Sorry, Rajat, about this. Again, I'm repeating for everyone. This webinar is for people who already have some knowledge of the stock market, who already have at least 10 lakh rupees of shares in the demat account. Okay, अगर आपके पास 10-1 लाख रुपए का डीमैट में शेयर नहीं है, अगर आप नहीं स्टॉक मार्केट करते हैं, तो मैं आपको बेनिफिट नहीं दे सकता हूं। वी टीच स्टॉक सिलेक्शन। रजत, अभी आपको बेसिक सीखना पड़ेगा, मैं बेसिक्स नहीं सिखाता हूं। I'm an intermediate teacher. I'm not a school teacher. I would rather say I'm a college teacher for stocks. I'm not a school teacher for stocks. Okay, so sorry Rajat. I hope लोग समझते हैं ROE क्या होता है. It is return on equity. Okay, so these are basic things जिसको थोड़ा knowledge होना चाहिए parameters का. ये जो 4 पैरामीटर है, ये 4 पैरामीटर according to me are the most important parameter for a quality management efficient business. Okay, so this is very important. Okay, I'll take the questions later, Chelia. Then this webinar is not for you, Chelia. Sorry about that. If you come from another system. Okay, this webinar is for people who are from the stock market. So these are the 4 most important parameters. We have made it very simple. What you can do is you can go, आपके पास how many people, how many stocks you have in your demat account? 10, 20. Can you please write how many stocks you have in your demat account? I don't want the names. How many stocks? 10. Okay, Subhash has 20. Okay, 8 that 15, 16. Okay, fantastic. So all the people who are writing this, okay, fantastic. Thank you, Siddharth, Sanjay, Janjaja. Thank you, everybody. Om Prakash ji, Vimla, Tribhuvan. Thank you so much. So basically, if you have so many stocks, what I recommend to you is, आप यहाँ पर जाके, you can click here, put your stock name, and try to see. Give me one stock. Tribhuvan, Parmar, can you give me one stock name which you have? Tribhuvan or Edat or Anwar, Nestle. Okay, let me go to Nestle. So you can go to Nestle and you can find out the quality business score of Nestle. Now I cannot do for everyone, sorry. You can do it yourself. It is 21/22. It's a great company. So what is going to happen is you do it for all your stocks and check what is my view of those companies. Okay, even if you want, you can actually, do a straight one-to-one with my people. You can actually do straight. This is a format. You can book a free one-to-one training. Friends, एक बहुत important चीज है, which I believe, which you will also understand, that stock market has 10,000 people who talk about research, who talk about, we don't talk about research, we talk about stock selection. Which stock is good, which stock is bad, this is what investors need, right? If you have the research, just tell them this stock is good, this stock is bad. Do you agree with me? Yes or no? We should focus on whether this stock is good or a great or a bad stock, correct? Do you agree? Yes, many people agree with me. Thank you, Shankar, Meet, Dipanshu. Thank you very much. So let's keep it very simple, So what we focus on, that by doing this QBS, you will immediately know what do we think about the stock. And we also give you the reasons. We also give you the reasons about it. Okay, you check the reasons And we have made it, if you see, we have made the entire stock selecting winning stocks automated. It's very easy and very, very easy to do it for you, because we understand that many people don't have the time. They don't have the time. So you can actually see all your 25 or 20 stocks in your Demat account within 5-10 minutes, free of cost. And obviously then you will start trusting us that this website looks phenomenal, what we can do. So I want to show you one very interesting thing, which is known as sector leaders. This is for my paid customers, friend. Okay, now let me take you to IT. So now if you see IT, how do you select the stock? One is QBS, that is the quality company. But quality also does not mean that. Now if you see, there is a company called, I'll take you to AGS. Okay, now TCS has a score, AGS highest is 13. Now what is AGS? AGS is that whether the stock gives you returns or not. Okay, this is a very, very important thing. How do you decide to enter the stock? We will tell you, Sanjay Krishna, Krishnatai Yogesh. I will tell you that also. Let me finish my seminar. I'll take all the questions at 5:15. Is it okay? Yogesh, Sanjay, Krishnatai Yogesh. So first is, there should be a great fundamental company. Then you have to check what is the history. Does it beat Nifty or not, and how many times? So in last 20 quarters, 13 quarters is the highest where TCS has the habit of beating Nifty. Okay, now there are some great companies. If you go down, if you see, there are companies which has a score of 19, but they only beat Nifty 9 times. So this is a very important factor to beat the index returns also. So by doing one thing, which are the great stocks, if you see, I'll show you how many stocks are there in IT. There are 100 stocks in IT. So if you click IT, you will immediately get the top stocks, which are the top stocks by QBS. And then you can see the AGS history of the companies. And you can immediately decide that which companies you can buy. So what we have done is, for 1600 NSE companies, like Pharma has 81 companies. So within, like if you click Pharma, which are the best companies in Pharma? So you know the best companies. If you want to decide by small cap, you go to small cap. Kaplan Point, you can check the score, or you can check Aarti Drugs, or you can see JV Chemical, which has a good QB score and history is also giving returns. But if you see, there is a company called Eris Life Sciences. Fundamentally, it's a great company, but it gives you very, very less returns. Friend, our job is not only to get a good fundamental company, our job is also that the fundamental company should give me returns. Yes or no? How many agree that what is the point of buying ITC when it does not give you returns? You can buy a company like ITC which is not giving you return. Returns also matters. So we focus on two areas. Obviously, we have to buy a good company to reduce our risk. Now, if you see, what happens when you buy a quality company? Huh? When you buy a quality company, okay, when you buy a quality company, I will answer the question Prem Prasad at 5:10. Huh? Let me complete. It is going to come. So first, let me go step by step. At what rate? At what trade? You don't know which stock to buy, Prem Prasad. What will you go enter for? आपको पहले मालूम नहीं कौन सा स्टॉक लेना है, आप एंटर कब करोगे? पहले तो स्टॉक का नाम चाहिए ना प्रेम प्रसाद. यस और नो? पहले स्टॉक का नाम चाहिए, उसका 5 साल का हिस्ट्री क्या है. ओके, एंड देन वी विल टेल यू. ओके, सो पहले मैं तो अभी 15 मिनट हुआ है मुझे, मिस्टर प्रेम प्रसाद. Okay, please don't write any more questions now on the chat box. Till 5:15, please don't write any more questions on the chat box, please. Because others get disturbed by your questions. Let me complete my discussion and then we can take it forward. तो हम पहले क्वालिटी बिजनेस देखेंगे. मैं स्टेप्स बता रहा हूँ, 3 स्टेप है, अभी 2 ही स्टेप ज्वाइन किया है. पहले देखेंगे क्वालिटी बिजनेस क्या है. उससे क्या होता है, ये रिस्क को रिड्यूस करता है. जितना अच्छा क्वालिटी होगा, जितनी अच्छी मैनेजमेंट होगी, वो जब मार्केट गिरेगा आपको रिस्क कम होगा. प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड वन थिंग, मार्केट बहुत हाई पे है और अभी क्या है, सब लोग को बड़ा मजा आ रहा है. बट अगर आपका कंपनी में फंडामेंटल वीक हुआ, जब बाजार गिरेगा वो स्टॉक 50-60% गिर जाएगी. ओके, सो दिस इज अ वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग. इट रिड्यूसेस रिस्क, क्वालिटी बिजनेस स्कोर. नाउ सेकंड स्टेप जो है विच इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट इज सेक्टर कौन सा चल रहा है, तो हमें नॉलेज होनी चाहिए. और मैं बहुत अच्छा नॉलेज देता हूं आपको. Okay, let me ask before I show you. Last 5 साल में, which is the number 1 sector which is given the highest return? Let me see who can answer. 5 years में. Bank, wrong answer. Lowest return है meat. FMCG, pharma, IT. Okay, the right answer. देखिए मैं दिखा रहा हूं आपको स्क्रीन में. 5 साल में सबसे हाईएस्ट रिटर्न दिया है फूड एंड बेवरेज, केमिकल, उसके बाद फर्टिलाइजर एंड एग्रोकेमिकल. सॉरी फ्रेंड्स, नोबडी हैज द राइट नॉलेज एंड दैट इज व्हाई दे डोंट मेक मनी इन द स्टॉक मार्केट. एक जन ने भी राइट आंसर नहीं दिया. 5 साल में हाईएस्ट, देखिए मैं 5 साल का हाईएस्ट फूड एंड बेवरेज, केमिकल, फर्टिलाइजर, फाइनेंशियल. 4 साल में कौन सा है? 4 साल में है केमिकल, फार्मा, आईटी. लास्ट 3 ईयर में हाईएस्ट क्या है? फार्मा, आईटी, केमिकल, फर्टिलाइजर. लेकिन 5 साल में हाईएस्ट रिटर्न दिया है फूड एंड बेवरेज, केमिकल, फर्टिलाइजर एंड एग्रोकेमिकल. एंड ये यूजुअली लोग कोई आंसर नहीं करते हैं बिकॉज आपको सेक्टर का मालूम नहीं सबसे ज्यादा रिटर्न देता किसमें. अगर आपको ये नहीं मालूम कि विच सेक्टर गिव्स यू रिटर्न, देन हाउ विल यू मेक मनी इन द स्टॉक मार्केट. IT, pharma, nobody has written has this, right? So this is one thing. Now if you want to buy food and मेरे को केमिकल में कौन सा शेयर खरीदना, आप एक बार क्लिक करोगे आपको तुरंत एक बार में टॉप कंपनीज आ गए. हाउ मेनी स्टॉक्स वर देयर इन केमिकल? 75 स्टॉक्स. मैं तो 75 स्टॉक में इन्वेस्ट नहीं कर सकता हूं. So what we will do, we will click chemical. So let me check which is the best large cap in chemical. How many large caps? You can click here and go large cap. Only Pidilite. How many mid cap? Who are the top? 18 and 16. Atul, Vinati, Organic, and Lavin Fluoro. There are only 4 mid cap great companies. How many small cap companies? Okay, 18 से लेना है Alchemine, Galaxy, Fine, Balaji, Bansali, Newgen. So from 75 you come down to 10-12 stocks. Correct? So first is stock selection. Then you go into what rate will you buy these stocks. Stock का नाम ही नहीं मालूम है, stock क्या खरीदोगे? Logic नहीं है सर. पहले buy good quality stocks who have good returns. अब जैसे क्या है, you know, you will never buy a company like Fine Organic is not giving good. अब इसको total नहीं किया, you know. So you have to see that which is the company which is giving me. Alchemine is giving 12, Balaji Man is giving 12. So you have to check which is the good company and which is also giving returns in the last 3 or 5 years. What has been the return? इसको मालूम है लिस्ट ही नहीं हुआ था. We can change the date. मैं change कर देता हूँ, last 1 year कर देता हूँ. So 1 year करने से and then we go to chemical. Okay, so last 1 year में देखना है which companies have given returns. So Alchemine is given ये and it is very high. Now once you decide the sector, once you decide the share, कि ठीक है भैया, I have to buy Alchemine. Now at what rate? Now Mr. Prem Prasad, your answer. And some people are very excited. पहले decide करेंगे sector कौन सा, which stock is the best in that sector. And then you click Alchemine. Okay, for all the stocks entry rate is also given. So we click alkaline. Alkaline आगे देखिए यहाँ पर दिया हुआ है, इसका भाव है 5199, करेक्ट। यहाँ पर दिया हुआ दिस स्टॉक इज ओवर वैल्यूड, अभी इसका दाम ओवर वैल्यूड है। कहाँ खरीद सकते हैं? आइदर तो ये करेक्शन दे 3820 में, या फिर 4488 में करेक्शन दे 20% का, उस रेट में ही वी विल बाय दिस रेट, दिस इज ऑलरेडी गिवन। So it's a step by step process, friends. First is good fundamental company. Second is whether it gives you return or not. You know, whether that sector is also giving you returns or not. Whether वो stock last एक साल में बढ़ा है कि नहीं बढ़ा है. Then you see it is overvalued. Overvalued आप आके देख लेंगे, oh P ratio of is 42, थोड़ा सा high है. Let it give a correction. Market correction देता है friends. अभी 21 दिसंबर को भी मार्केट करेक्ट दिया था, तो अल्केमाइन लेना है, ठीक है, I'll buy at 4488. It does not answer your question, Mr. Prem Prasad. I hope it answers your questions very clearly. Step by steps you have to perform. People क्या करते हैं, सबको रेट चाहिए, but they will buy कचड़ा, and this is where they lose a lot of money. Please never buy bad stocks. First buy quality stocks, then see the historical returns, and then see the valuation, and then see the entry rate. So it's a simple process, 4-step process of stock selection. This is what we teach people. Okay, friends, very, very important. फिर से मैं repeat कर रहा हूँ. This process is made simple for our investors. That is why thousands of investors are becoming a paid customers. So to develop trust, एक दिन में तो trust develop होगा नहीं. Okay, we will not develop trust in one day. How will you develop trust? You can attend our few webinars. You can register for 3-4 webinars free. You can also do one-to-one training. What is one-to-one training? One-to-one training में आपका कोई stock है, आपके personal questions हैं, वो भी हम लोग फ्री करते हैं. We have trainers, expert trainers who will help you to do one-to-one. आपके जो stocks हैं उसके बारे में आप discuss करो, वो कौन stocks अच्छी है, which stocks are better in sector. So you may have many questions in your mind. Okay, so we will answer at least 30-40 questions in 1.5 hour, and one-to-one, that is also free. And then you can decide whether you want to become a customer or not, because friends, there are 10,000 research analysts in the country. How will you know you will trust me? एक दिन में तो trust आएगा नहीं, शेरेश शराफ पर या value stocks पर. You will not get trust in one day. Okay, so this is where you know, these are the steps. Okay, Prem Prasad, how do you ascertain? 5 साल में already जो stock top 10 में है, they are very common, Mr. Prem Prasad. मैं आपको दिखाता हूँ. So there is a history of certain sectors being in the top 10 all the time. You should always invest in the top 10 sectors. So I'll answer that question. Okay, so basically now if you go to sector leaders, 5 साल में कौन से सेक्टर बने, टॉप 10 देखते हैं. फूड एंड बेवरेज 5 ही देखते हैं, चलो, या 6 देख लेते हैं जो टॉप में दिख रही है मेरे को. फूड एंड बेवरेज, केमिकल, फर्टिलाइजर, फाइनेंशियल, कंज्यूमर गुड, आईटी, फार्मा, मेटल, सीमेंट. 4 साल में कौन से हैं? केमिकल कॉमन है, फार्मा, आईटी, कंज्यूमर, फूड एंड बेवरेज, फर्टिलाइजर, फाइनेंशियल, सीमेंट कॉमन. 3 साल में कितने कॉमन है? फार्मा, आईटी, केमिकल. सो देयर आर सर्टेन सेक्टर्स व्हिच इज कॉमन, फ्रेंड. ये जो 7-8 सेक्टर्स हैं, they are the best performers. Who are the worst performers? And जिसमें बड़ा इंटरेस्ट रहता है, देखिए मैं आपको दिखाता हूँ. Worst performer, bank, PSU. Never invest in, you know, government banks. Worst return. Infrastructure, textile, realty. They are the worst performers. Banks, private power. ये सब सेक्टर में पैसा नहीं बनता है. इसमें आप पैसा डालोगे, पैसा नहीं बनेगा. If you are investing for 6 months to 1 year. बट ये जो 10 सेक्टर में पैसा डालिए, आपको पैसा बनेगा. सो ये कौन सा परफॉर्म नहीं करते, हिस्ट्री है. ये 10 सेक्टर हरदम परफॉर्म करता है मिस्टर प्रेम प्रसाद. So you should always have 2 or 3 stocks from these sectors in your portfolio. Okay, this is common sense. ये जो प्रेडिक्ट करने जाते हैं ना मिस्टर प्रेम प्रसाद, यही प्रॉब्लम है. बट जो कॉमन सेंस है उसको लोग यूज नहीं करते. Oh, Dipanshu is asking what is P ratio, sir. Dipanshu, you're not, sorry to inform you, but you're not my customer, or because that is the basic knowledge which we don't give. You have to learn that from somewhere else, Dipanshu, because that is a very simple thing. So sorry, Dipanshu Kapoor ji, you're not ready to be my customer right now. Okay, तो आपको पहले फंडामेंटल सीखना पड़ेगा, बेसिक्स में नहीं सिखाता हूँ. I straight away talk about, yeah, that's correct, Sorry about the Dipanshu ji. I don't teach the basics. We teach stock selection to people who already have stocks. So we give you stock selection, quality training, which are the good stocks, why these stocks are good. So our training is slightly higher. The basic P ratio क्या होता है, ROE क्या होता है, EPS क्या होता है, ये तो sir, these are kiddish knowledge जो हम लोग नहीं सिखाते. Okay, so these are like we talk, which these are the sectors you should always have 2 stocks into it. Okay, so these are very, very important things, friend. What I highly recommend to you is please book your free one-to-one training. मेरे फ्री लीजिए, हम लोग से 3-4 बार 2-3 ट्रेनिंग फ्री लीजिए, अटेंड 2-3 फ्री वेबिनार्स. आपको 6-7 बार में समझ में आ जाएगा that they have a lot of knowledge which I should have, so that मेरे को I am not dependent on my friends, TV, media for taking investment decisions. Okay, we'll open for some questions. Any questions, friends? How do you know? We'll open for some questions. Chat board. Meet Shah is asking, how do you? Yes, food and beverage is different from FMCG, because food and beverage also has some companies which is also in beverages. एक बार summarize कर दीजिए. Okay, I'll do it for Shankar Ganeshan. I told you 10 sectors, वो हरदम top 5 में, top 10 में रहते ही हैं historically. Yes, we will still recommend. That's a good question. So Rajiv Narayan, I will still recommend to buy those stocks. That's correct. We give free training, Shokantli. There is no free trial. We give free training. आप 2-3 बार फ्री ट्रेनिंग ले सकते हैं शॉक्टली सीपी, वो आपको पूरा ऐप दिखा देंगे. What is the next question? Sir, exit कब करेंगे स्टॉक्स को? Yeah, when the fundamentals go wrong, when the profit growth गिरती है या सेल्स ग्रोथ गिरती है, जब ही एग्जिट करते हैं. You attend, Mr. RK, you attend our Nifty webinar on Monday. Chelia, Pellia, give 5 stocks for investment first. दिया ना मैंने Chelia, Mr. Chelia. I gave you 5 stocks already. TCS, Larsen Tubro Infotech, Hindustan Unilever. I've already given you the 6 stocks. मैंने start ही किया था उसी के लिए, Mr. Chelia. Tejasvi, we are not intraday or something, These are exit you need for intradays. We give you such stocks which you can hold for longer period of duration. Tejasvi Chauhan. And when the fundamentals decreases, you can exit. The sector, there are 10 sectors which is a performer for last 30 years, Mr. Sanjay Shah. When summarize, please focus. You take an 8 that, please take one-to-one training. We can't summarize mid-cap stocks now. Our one-to-one training ले लीजिए. My person will help you in mid-cap stocks. You cannot time, only God can time, Mr. Anand Gokhale. अगर टाइमिंग ही मालूम पड़ जाता तो फिर तो आप लखपति अरबपति हो जाते हैं. Anand Gokhale, please remember, only God can time. We can give you some idea, but buy good stocks, you will be okay. I've given you money can. First decide good stocks and then It is updated on our evening. Vishwanathan Vishwa, all data is updated in the evening. Sir, how much do you charge for premium? Sir, ये देखिए मेरा दिया हुआ है Mr. Anwar Mumin. These are the charges. Obviously, we have many customers who pay us 1,25,000 for all the app to be open and many strategies. You can start with 5,000 rupees initially, but slowly you will love it so much that you will buy more and more things from our app. Okay, but if you but you should have at least 5 or 10 lakh rupees of investment already to give. Then only we will be beneficial to you. This website or we cannot help beginners, as I'm telling you again and again. Anwar Mumin, our business is mostly at the mercy of unknown. Sorry, Rangarajan, budget has no meaning for stock selection. Great companies do not depend on budget. Rangarajan, that's a wrong thinking. Dipanshu, food and beverage stocks, can you recommend, please? Mr. Dipanshu Kapoor, please take free one-to-one training. And my person can show you food and beverage stocks. Mr. Rajiv Narayan, profit booking is done only when the stock's profit or sales go down. HUL is, I said Uttam Malik, HUL is a great stock. Yes, it is still, you can still invest in those 5 stocks. Mr. Ankit Jaiswal, as I said, if you buy good stocks, you can hold it for your great-grandchildren also. And we only exit when the sales growth and profit growth goes down. Please repeat the 6 stocks. Again, I'm repeating Hindustan Unilever, Britannia, Larsen Toubro Infotech, TCS. I'm showing you one second. I'm showing for everyone the 6 stocks. Asian Paints, Bajaj Finserv, Britannia, Hindustan Unilever, Larsen Toubro Infotech, TCS. Again, I'm repeating for everyone. Asian Paint, Bajaj Finserv, Britannia, Hindustan Unilever, Larsen Toubro Infotech, TCS. 6 great companies. Okay. Sir, system problem. Chaliya, I've already given you the answer now again. I've already repeated Jayanta Dasgupta. As Mr. RK, I've already shared this. How do you decide? You can also take free one-to-one training, Mr. RK, and my person can decide for you. I'm unable to register one. Please help. Unable to. It's very easy.
You can call it.
Just link. I'm sending you the link also. You can click on the link. I'm sending you the link right now. Mr. Meet Shah, if you can sign for the next webinar on the front page only, Mr. Meet Shah. You on the front page of our website, you can sign. What pulls great stock prices down in short term? What pulls? News. Mr. That question was asked. Yogesh Patil, news sometimes. Short-term correction, any news, which has no value actually. You can check QBS once in a quarter, Mr. Kalpasha. You don't need to check every day. How can we decide ideal buying levels? I've already given Mahesh Ketkar. How do you decide? I have buying levels for all the 1600 stocks. You take free one-to-one, my person can help you to decide how to decide. Right timing, Mr. Ankit Jaiswal. Right timing is only can be done by God. You first decide QBS, which is a good quality company, and that is the best way, Ankit Jaiswal. You take one-to-one and my person can answer you. Yes, we teach options also. Please join on Monday free webinar, Shashi Dobhai. Yes, you can still buy it overvalued or at a correction, Gopal Devi Shetty. Yes, Prem Kumar, you can still buy it right now. Prem Prasad, what is your question again? I've already taken a questions before from you. You can ask again. There are too many questions coming. Thank you, Meet. You please take 1-to-1. I request everybody to take 1-to-1. Yes, you can, Mr. Chelia, Pelippan. You can. Yes, that's correct, Yogesh Patil. Select good stocks and then do SIP. You can do that. Thank you, Shankar. Ganesh. You can take 1-to-1 and ask more free questions so that we can build trust. Mr. Ramesh Parith, I have shared with you that we exit when there is a sales degrowth after quarterly results. When there is a sales degrowth and there is then only you exit. Ramesh Parith. Friends, any final questions? We are at 5:20 already. Any final questions? What about Suzlon? So these are all bad companies. We don't even invest into it. Om Prakash Gupta. Yes, we are through small case. You can buy our strategies immediately through call case Girish Morapkar. You can take 1-to-1 free. My person can explain you small case. Join Prem Prasad. Join on Monday. Join on Monday free webinar. You can think about how do we trade Nifty. And you can take 1-to-1. My person can also take Nifty. Explain you Nifty. Mr. A that please do 1-to-1. My person can show you mid cap stocks. मेरा सब नारायण बर्मन जी, मैं इसको 1600 स्टॉक का कब एंट्री करना है उसका रेट मेरे वेबसाइट में है. Once you become a paid customer, आपको 1600 स्टॉक का एंट्री प्राइस मिल जाएगा. जयंत गुप्ता जी वो सिर्फ भगवान को मालूम है. Yes, you can, Mr. Subi. आप 1-to-1 ट्रेनिंग ले लीजिए, आपको और आइडिया लग जाएगा. करेक्शन मिस्टर चेलिया आप ले सकते हैं, थोड़ा करेक्शन है. 1-to-1 ले लीजिए मिस्टर चेलिया. माय पर्सन कैन एक्सप्लेन यू इवन बेटर. फ्रेंड्स, the webinar is मैंने चार्जेस दिखाया था. वी स्टार्ट विद 5000 रुपीज योगेश पसालकर. बट ऑब्वियसली आपको एक दिन में तो ट्रस्ट होगा नहीं योगेश भाई. तो पहले आप फ्री 1-to-1 ले लीजिए, 2-3 बार और अटेंड करिए, आपको विश्वास आ जाएगा. वी स्टार्ट विद ₹5000. एक दिन में तो विश्वास आएगा नहीं योगेश भाई. आप रेट पूछ के करेंगे भी क्या? आप 1-2 बार फ्री लीजिए और हमसे मिलिए, जब आपको विश्वास आएगा 5000 रुपया देने के लिए. डू यू अग्री नॉट अग्री योगेश भाई? इसीलिए हम लोग 2-3 बार फ्री करते हैं टू बिल्ड ट्रस्ट. यस, इट विल स्टिल सर्टेन मिस्टर आरके. आप मिस्टर आरके 1-to-1 कर लीजिए, आपका प्रोसेस है. अभी मैं आपको फ्री प्रोसेस बता रहा हूं और बाद में आप मेरा पेड कस्टमर बनना चाहते हैं तो सब चार्जेस दी हुई है मेरे वेबसाइट में. योगेश भाई, मिस्टर योगेश पसालकर. यस, 5000 इज फॉर 1 ईयर प्लान ऑल्सो, अलग चीज है. आप ये 1-to-1 फाइल कर लीजिए योगेश पसालकर. मैं फिर से भेज रहा हूं आपको, फिर से लिंक भेज रहा हूं, आपको दिखा भी रहा हूं, फिर से लिंक भेज रहा हूं. योगेश पसालकर, आप इसमें फॉर्म ये भर दीजिए. फॉर्म 1-to-1 कर लीजिए आपके टाइम के अनुसार. ओके, आप 1-to-1 कर लीजिए योगेश पसालकर, आपका हो जाए. Friends, we have 103 people now. The webinar is closing now. So any final questions before we close? If you have no questions, you can leave. If you don't want to do 1-to-1, or if you have no questions, thank you very much for joining. The webinar is finished. We'll wait for a few minutes for the final questions. नहीं, वैल्यू स्टॉक्स पे ट्रेडिंग नहीं होता है. विजय कुमार मिडले। बट मैंने 11 ब्रोकर से टैप कर लिया है, तो आप मेरे जो स्टॉक्स रिकमेंडेड है वो डायरेक्ट अपने ब्रोकर के साथ खरीद सकते हैं, 11 ब्रोकर के साथ। आनंद गोखले जी, विश्वास तो कैसे आएगा? अगर आप डायरेक्ट पेमेंट करना चाहते हैं कर लीजिए, बट आपका विश्वास तो 1 to 1 करने के बाद ही आएगा आनंद जी, जितना मैं देखा हूं। बट यू आर फ्री टू पे ऑल्सो डायरेक्टली। बट 1 to 1 में आपके बहुत सारे क्वेश्चन आंसर हो जाएंगे आनंद गोखले, देन विल बी मोर कॉस्ट फॉर यू। व्हाट 1 to 1? राजू जी मैं बार बार दिखा रहा हूँ, ये 1 to 1 है। 1 to 1 ट्रेनिंग देखिए, मैं मार्क कर रहा हूँ, लिंक भी भेजा हूं यहाँ पर, लिंक भी भेजा। राजू अगेन आई एम सेंडिंग द लिंक। देखिए लिंक पे क्लिक करिए, आप 1 to 1 फाइल कर सकते हैं फ्री। Any final questions, friends? We have 83 people. The seminar is finished. Thank you for joining. If you have any final questions before we close, we request 83 people to send me 1 to 1. परमेश्वर कृष्णन, यही 1 to 1 मैंने भेज दिया आपको।